Road trip! Ow! We're going on a first to visit YouTubers. And why are we visiting these guys, Andy?
So we're visiting Jordan and Kaylee from the Nomadic movement and the Morning Movement YouTube channels. So back in 2016, I lived out of my van out of necessity. I didn't realize it was like a popular trend or anything like that. And when I was searching YouTube for ideas on how to build out my van and stuff, I stumbled across Jordan and Kaylee's channel, and they just seemed really heartfelt and humble and honest people.
And so Andy introduced them to me, and we started watching them together during the pandemic, during 2020. We weren't really watching TV or YouTube or anything like that up to that point, and we were obviously having a hard time just like everyone else. We didn't have 9-to-5 jobs like everyone else, so we already felt kind of different, and it was really cool to be able to check in with them and see everyday things that they were doing and just sharing their lives with us and being real.
So I always kind of checked in with them and watched their channel from time to time. So we definitely wanted to go and support their business in Vermont.
It's gonna be alright.
This rest stop was like nothing we'd ever seen. It was in New York Adirondacks. And look how cute it is. So much to do and see, and even local food and vending machines.
We will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best. What is best for you.
This is so cool. These are all local companies. And that Just Water is Will Smith's son. That's his company.
So
Try to
cool.
Save the earth.
Is he local to New York?
I'm assuming, probably is.
Maple syrup.
It's crazy, the ice cream.
Oh my goodness, a hiking challenge.
You get to scratch off each one of these things as you go to them.
Whoa.
I know that you feel all alone in this.
I am so excited they have keto bars. For those of us trying to do low sugar. Locally roasted coffee.
You through, 'cause we only want what's best. What's best for
We totally get that trying new things can be scary. And believe it or not, we just do it scared. And the reason why is because each Andy and I lost a parent way too early in life. So that's why we're on this journey to try new things, scared. And if you want inspiration to try those things you're afraid to do, go ahead and subscribe and follow our journey. Good morning. We just woke up. We are how far from the Roastery, honey?
About an hour almost.
So we're like an hour from Stowe, Virginia, to go to the Roastery. Vermont. I'm so sorry.
Well, we were in Virginia like a week ago.
You'll have to check out that adventure. And I'm in my little bed. I'll give you a little van tour. We have our twin bed here. And we put up black out sheets. We just put out sheets and clipped them up on the van. And we just have our stuff on the side of us, which since it is 23 degrees, it actually helps insulate us, helps us be warm to have our stuff right next to us in the back here. And we did have this guy up. Oh, excuse me, Andy Pandy. Oh. Just kidding, he's too heavy for me to move this. Oh, yeah, thanks, honey. We had this up too. So it was like a little dark room, which was cool. I could pretend like we slept really well, but somehow we got sandwiched in between two police officers who were chatting for 2 hours next to us at this welcome center, but still grateful for a free stay.
Find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark.
We're here at the Roastery!
I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just
It was a whole thing. It was really fun. It was really cool.
it's almost like I can't stop.
See, those are the fun ones.
Yeah.
It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I can't stop. No, no. Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. Can't stop.
Wow, it's like an experience in a coffee.
Sarah from over at the Roastery recommended us come here to Ranch Camp to have some food. And how cute is this? The sign out here says, park your car, ride your bike, visit Bike Shop Restaurant. So you could ride bikes here. Oh, I love it. We enjoyed some super yummy food here and we're heading back to the Roastery. The first time we went, we got to talk with Jordan and Sarah and TJ and they were so sweet. Sadie had been up last night, so Kaylee and her were hopefully still getting some rest. We're gonna head back to the Roastery, grab another cup of coffee, some coffee to go, and
Coffee for the road.
there you go. And hopefully Sadie and Kaylee will be there this time. White ears. Let's see what you get.
Got some Stowe Joe.
And my second coffee.
heading to stay in a yurt on a goat farm.
Heading to the outhouse. I should have paid closer attention when we were walking in, so I knew for sure where the outhouse was.
That everything seems to crumble around you.
Wrong one. That one said farmhouse outhouse. So as it turns out, our outhouse was right behind the yurt. I just went for a little hike, you know, a nighttime hike in the snow. What's this say? Go, go, go. Much cuter than expected. I step out of the bathroom and see that. Aww.
The next day.
Enjoying my morning movement coffee, and extra more so after meeting them yesterday. We got to meet Jordan and Kaylee and Sadie and Sarah and TJ, and I have to say, leaving, our hearts felt warm. It really felt good to meet people who've been inspiring us for a long time. If you haven't checked out their channel yet, go over there now, like don't even wait. Nomadic Movement, they're doing some amazing things, some inspiring things. And also Morning Movement, which is more so their coffee business.
Hi.
Ow! Here's the bell ringing. Hi. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh. This time of year, especially up in the north, it seems like everyone's getting sick. And I have this special drink I have every day, and it's something that I can actually get my girls to drink because vitamins are sometimes hard to get down their throats. We love the grape. It's Trace Power Pack. It's good for immunity, hydration, and energy.
It would be really cool.
Oh, Henry got out. I think we need to lock it a different way.
That's a first. I just found out that I can wrangle a goat. Henry got out and I picked him up and put him back, and then he just came through this little hole of the fence. We found a package in here for our host, so Andy brought it to him and asked him what to do with Henry, who's out of the farm now. We're always on an adventure. Now we are goat sitting. Don't worry, Henry is fine. The owner told us he would leave when we left, and once we got in the car, he went back home. He was good. We're heading home with full hearts. We didn't realize what a relaxing experience it would be for us, from the goat farm to meeting Kaylee and Jordan, everyone there. It was actually just a really good experience that we needed at this point in life. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love for you to subscribe if you haven't yet, and say hey in the comments. We'd love to get to chat with you.
Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop.